Time to give my album art away from the 2020 Makers Rock album art collaboration. Here we go. Reload my video.
Hi, this is Chuck from Desert Bum Woodworking. Maker
Copy
Rock is here,
the URL.
and I created Iron Maiden, and I'll be giving it away April 1st on YouTube. Just put the words "I want Iron Maiden" below. I'll leave a link to the other makers in the
I'll be using the YouTube random comment picker. Putting I want Iron Maiden in. I want Iron Maiden. Continue. 12 comments with that. Here we go. Awesome wood things. Congratulations, Matt. I need your address. Send me an email with your address. Thank you. Boy, it's not going down there. Let me take a picture of it. Thank you again.